Are you looking to increase the aesthetics and the functionality of your foyer area by turning your coat closet into a mini mudroom? Well, that's what I did, and in the process, it also will increase your property value and build a little bit of sweat equity for yourself. It really wasn't that difficult of a project. At times, there was a bit of a learning curve, and I did make more work for myself than I probably needed to by trying to take shortcuts. So anytime I think to myself, oh, I can do it this way, and just this will be a shortcut to the end result, it almost always backfires. So hopefully you'll learn from my mistakes here through this video, and you'll see that in the end, this project was pretty easy. It was relatively inexpensive. I think the whole thing cost about $300 in total. And I did it all myself in about a day's worth of work, you know, taking out time to let things dry and stuff like that between steps. But all those directions are in the description below, as well as a material list of all the things I used. So hopefully you find this project to be as fun and rewarding as I have. And if you want to see more content like this from me, I do a lot of DIY projects, not just at my home, but also my clients' homes. As a real estate agent, there's always something I see that I could easily do to increase the value of the property inside and out. There's a lot of DIY landscaping and curb appeal stuff that I do as well. And I can keep putting more content like that out there for you to see if that's what you're into. Just let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, okay? And I hope you have a good time earning sweat equity for yourself by increasing the property value of your home.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know.
This might be hard to hear, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it.